so our window is still up. Hopefully it'll stay up there. So you see now that our motor kind of went cattywampus on us, and I want it more in the middle. So what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna plug it in right here. See if I can get it to stop in the middle where I want it. Of course, now it's not going. Something happened here, I don't know what I did. Oh, there we go. So, probably right about there, I think is where I had it. So let me go see if I've got, hopefully I got one of those green pieces. I think I saved some from another job that I was working on, so. Man, I can't get this plug out now. Good grief. There we go. Okay, hold on that. Let's go find that green piece. Okay, so I actually have another door here that I got from one of my other projects I was working on, and there's my piece there that I need. Rather than drill out all of the, see, I already stole the motor off of this one. I actually do need this locking mechanism here. I think this one works. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna drill out, I believe there's 2 rivets here, and then this should slide over, and then I can slide that green piece out. All right, let's get my hammer and chisel. Okay, so as you can see, boom, there you go. I can slide the green part over, which I'm going to do with my hammer, and then should be able to slide that green piece off, boom, down in the bottom, and voila, look at that, I've got a new one just like that. So make sure there's no dirt and debris on it, but it's got a little grease on it still, so we should be good. All right, let's reinstall that, and then I think we'll be good to go. All right, I brought you guys in a little closer. Okay, so I am going to slide this piece on. Don't want to break it again, of course. Ah, there we go. Well, it sure seems dry. I'm gonna have to definitely put some silicone grease on that piece there. Okay. Boy, your hands are getting dirty. Should have worn some gloves. Let's see if we can slide this back down the window. And then I'm wondering if I can just put that piece back on there. No, I think I'm gonna have to, actually what I'm gonna have to do, it looks like, wow. Is I think I'm gonna have to take this out, slide it in here first, and then come up from the bottom. Boy, that's gonna be tricky, but I think we could do it. Let's see here. Yeah, because it's got to go all the way down to where this thing feeds up. It's gonna be tricky, but let's see if we can. Boy, I think I might have lost it again because of the window here. I wonder if there's a better way to do that. I feel like there should be a better way. Oh, better way, easier way. Let's see. Oh, getting stuck up here with the window again. At the top. There it is. Let's just see. Let's try it again. See if we can. Whoops, spun that around. Where does that thing end up at the top here? It was way up there. All right, well, I think actually, now that I'm looking at this thing, I think I can actually do what I want to do here. We're gonna reinstall it back on the black track first. You got to slide it up from the bottom. Just make sure all the tracks line up. Now again, this isn't something that you'd normally have to do. Since I screwed up here, I'm having to do that. All right, so what I did is, yes. Okay, perfect. So I've got the window slid way over here. I think I can slide this up enough now. Slide the window over towards the back, and then, yep, there we go. We're on track again. So perfect. So that one's back on the track. I'll slide the window up, and let's just kind of move it like there. Let's go a little higher. Okay. How about right there? Okay. Now let's retry to install this piece. And I'm gonna need to take. Let's see. Do I need to take that out? Slide that in? I might. Let's take this piece off again. This little section here. I think we're about 30 or 40 minutes into this. I may cut out some guys that you guys don't need to see for whatever, just my mistakes, but I'm more than happy to make a long video so that you can see exactly what it takes to do a window job. All right, so what I'm doing here, if you're following along, and if I can get this thing in the right spot, I might have to go, I'm gonna see, I'm trying to slide this into there, but I gotta go in from over here and slide it that way. So, let's get it up in there where I can see the track here. There we go. Just gotta come up a little bit higher, and you can use these holes to line things up like that. Boom, got that lined up. Okay. Got that lined up. So then we want to bring our motor. Again, we got to line up these guys up here. And you're gonna have to bring the window down for that so that this can raise up. And let's see here. Here we go. Let's keep bringing it down, bringing it down, bringing it down. Let's see. We're getting close. There we go. All right, where am I at here? My little spot that I gotta line up. There it is. Okay, so there's one of them. There's the other one here. Let's see. We're close. I have to raise this up just a little bit. Raise the window up just a little bit more. And then you're gonna have to kind of pull this down so that gets into place. Now you can see your holes have lined up. And then all you gotta do is line up this hole. And let's see if we can't get this guy to line up over here. There we go, slide her up. Slide it this way. All right, so I see that we've got our holes lined up. So the last one we have to do is this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and rivet everything, and then we'll put this last piece in. So let me grab the rivet gun. Be right back. All right, guys, so we gotta pick some rivets to use in this door. I don't remember, to be honest with you, what rivets I used in the past, but I ended up buying one of these rivet kits. I'll post the link below, maybe a rivet gun. I'll post the link for you from Amazon. If you do even if you don't buy anything through one of my links, if you do click it, I do get a little kickback, I'll be honest. I do appreciate it. Helps me a little bit, but I think we'll probably use, let's see, looks like this is a 3/16 by 3/8. I'm liking that size right there. That should go through. Let's confirm. Ooh. Perfect, that'll be fine. 3/16 by 3/8, that's the size we're gonna use. Yeah, let's go ahead and just pop rivet those into place. If you never did pop rivets before, super easy. Don't lose those. Those will go in your tire. But super easy to do. Let's see, that's a little bit bigger one. I think some of these got mixed together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one could be a 3/16. I think this is 3/16 by 5/16. So disregard my last instructions. 3/16 by 5/16. Yeah. They're just mixed a little bit in the box here, it looks like. Yeah, these are all mixed up. So anyways, I'll put that link to that kit so you guys can buy, and then you can just pick whichever one you feel is best for your situation. Let's see here. So we're just gonna try to line these up perfectly there. Like I said, there's 6 rivets. But anyways, guys, yeah, if you do buy something on Amazon using my link, I do appreciate it. If you like my videos, which I don't do very often, but I do need to try to make more content for these MLs because I have 6 of them. They're great cars. Half of mine have over 200, almost over 200,000. I have one with like 56,000 miles, and I have one with about 100,000 miles. So they're still out there. A lot of them are still in really good shape. There's some that, you know, not so good, depending on how people maintain them and that sort of thing. But you'll still be able to find some good ones out there if you're interested in these. And parts are readily available. So, I mean, this window motor I think was like 30-40 bucks. I'll post a link to that as well. Okay, we got 6 rivets in. Boom, 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 boom. Now we gotta, we're gonna have to lower our window enough to get this other connector in there. So I'm gonna try to do that without hopefully losing the window here. Oh, stop. Okay, I just gotta go up a little tiny bit. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just gonna raise the window. I gotta straighten the window out. And then basically take your piece, your last piece here, slide that booger in there. Okay, take your, that's got a little hole, or like a hole on the back piece, and then it's got like a little notch. So you just line that up, screw those guys up, like so. Let's see, yeah, it looks pretty good right there. I'm gonna just tighten it. Okay, I don't know if I went too tight in that or not, but let me see here. Let's try going up. Hey, look at that, my window closes again. It's fantastic. It's a little bit off. I can see my window is a little bit off here, so I think I'm gonna have to bring that over just a little bit. Sometimes you gotta make minor adjustments, and that's okay. I don't know why my window doesn't want to go up now. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna hold it right there. So you can kind of see the window is slanted a little bit. Now we're gonna have to adjust this. And that, there we go. See how that kind of raised the window up? Now we're gonna retighten it. And that should get us our window to close nicely. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. And all the way down. Perfect. So I really like that. I'm gonna probably put a little bit more like silicone in there, grease, just to help it go up and down, and then I'll probably throw a little bit of back here behind this green thing. Past that, guys, you just throw everything back together, reattach your door, and you're good to go. So I hope that video helps you. If you're looking for other content, I know I get a lot of messages from people. I can't always help everybody out. What I do suggest is you get a scanner for these, you get the codes, and then you Google them. And that's usually what I do. And then I get some information based on whatever's going wrong with the car.
and then I narrow it down from there. So if I can help you, I will. I don't always respond to every question. I just can't. I don't have time. I wish I did. But I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and hit that thumbs up. I appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next time.